Hey, hello there, hello my friends, how's it going with you? We are back in the markets, back in the trenches, always making money. I'm looking at this river chart, scavenging opportunities. So how's it going with you lads? What are you trading? You making money? You're losing money? Come on, share with me in the chat box. Let me turn on the music for you lads, yeah? Some nice music. And see. Yes. So I'm gonna switch back to our BTC chart. Open Trading View, the best software for analysis. Which one do you use? Let me just share the link to the world so the whole world can join the live stream and trade with us. Okay. Where are you joining from, lads? Where are you joining from? Today I plan to just scalp on 5 minutes BTC. BTC took a good big dump right here, as I predicted on daily chart, as I predicted, my friends. Fair value gap took the liquidity and back into the ascending triangle. So the bulls, well, I'm also a bull in the long term, but in the short term I'm bearish on BTC, so that we can take the advantage of this fall. So people on Twitter were shouting, those mouthy rats were shouting everywhere, oh, it's gonna go up. Look at this now. Even your ascending triangle is disrespected. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do now? Let me just post this on Twitter and tell them who's the boss. Mr. Blue the Prophet can never be wrong. At least about the long-term move. It's not always possible to keep winning trades on scalping, because scalping doesn't work like that. It works on the number of trades you take. So the more the number of trades you take, more will be your profit, because on an average scalping works. But you're gonna lose trades in between, but that's fine. Put your stop losses wherever the technical analysis predicts or suggests you to put your stop losses at.
What you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
All those mouthy rats were shouting BTC gonna go up. This. The fucking traders everywhere, yeah? So that these people know who's the boss here. The Blue Bulls are the boss. We know better technical analysis than any of these mouthy rats. Oh, fuck, come on, lad. Gonna jump back to the 15 minutes chart and see what's happening there. You're gonna look for some fair value gap here. So this was a downtrend, a lower low, it broke the lower low. After this we can take the fair value gap, because we cannot take any fair value gap before it breaks a structure that's invalid FVG. A valid FVG always has to be after a break of structure. If you take 3 candles, this and this and this, the fair value gap would be drawn like this. But as I said, it has to break a structure, so we're gonna adjust it accordingly. That's where the break of structure was. They're gonna adjust it. So this is the fair value gap. We're gonna wait for the price to go up into this zone on the 15 minutes chart. People are supporting me on my take on BTC on Twitter. I like it. I like it. We can also look at FVG on 5-minute chart, where we have to take into consideration the BOS, the break of structure. Let me just draw the break of structure right here.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
On the 5-minute chart,
No one likes
we have
being
break of
loved.
structure right here.
You made this mess
Oh, sorry,
and left me
the
with
FVG.
pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
So after this break of structure, this red line, we can take this. No, this is not FVG. It has to be a big price move. 1, 2, 3. We can take this as the FVG on 5-minute chart, and I can see it's already respecting it.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too
Just color it
much lately. I just need to clear,
some light color.
I just need to clear.
5-minute FVG.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
So we're gonna wait for it. Well, we could have shorted right here. Now we missed it. As you can see, FVG entered and then came back.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't forget.
Hello lads, I am back. What's going on? So I'm gonna wait to get the prize back inside the FUG and get a wick like this. This is a very, very good signal that we could have easily shorted this short position. Now we will wait for the similar candle pattern again inside the 5-minute FVG. I think we can draw an FVG on this as well. Or we can draw an FVG on here. Breaks the structure, breaks the character. Generally the price will come back after a big move to take liquidity, and maybe that's what it is doing. So let's see which FVG is gonna play out. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's amazing. I can see amazing patterns on the screen. No. Just so you know, there can be many FETs drawn on this big move, but the one which is the lowest when the price goes up is the strongest FVG. After the break of structure, that's another condition. So 1, 2, 3. We could have drawn an FVG from here to here, but because we have break of structure here, break of character here, so we're gonna take this as the FVG. And that's exactly what happened. Wow! It's a very good strategy you can learn. Very easy to implement. Generally you trade inside, somewhere inside the FVG, and set your stop losses below the FVG, and then ride the trend. Easy peasy, isn't it? Now we can even trade between these two FVGs, because these are liquidity levels. FVGs are just liquidity levels. There are a lot of what do you call the bears, the sellers sitting here in this zone, and a lot of bulls sitting here in this zone. analyze what's happening on the 4 minutes. We're gonna have more accuracy there. Your efforts is forming everywhere, my friend. Well, it has to be valid. But this is not valid. This FPG is not valid because it didn't break any structure. It has to break a structure before it is considered as a valid FPG.
Someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break.
We need a good retest on 200 EMA. Like this rejection candle, we need a rejection candle. Like this was a perfect rejection candle, and it went down. there's no volume in the market today. What is wrong?
We are the apocalypse and a pill that keeps us floating. As we fly above the stars, the hype won't scare us falling. So rise up. We're too great to be landed.
How to put stop loss using reward to risk ratio. So we should always aim for something greater than good, very good or excellent. So the reward to risk ratio should always be 1.5 to 1 and above. We can also use ATR, stop loss setting, half of the hour's volatility, tight stop, very tight stop. Generally we use one ATR, which is very balanced. Stop loss, not too tight, not too wide. That depends on, so ATR, we use the ATR because it measures the volatility. So one ATR basically means if we are on the BTC chart and we open a trade here, so we have to use the ATR tool for this. I'll just use here on the L block. See? We have the ATR tool right here. So we have it. The indicator, ATR, average true range. Oh, we have two of them. So right now the ATR is oh, that's percentage. It's about 42. 43 is the ATR of this very candle. So if you put a if you take an entry at this candle, then the ATR has to be 1. So 43 has to be the ATR. So this is how we use the ATR, my friends. We can use we can use the long position. Let's just take I'm just waiting for the price to make some move here, give me some signs so that I can open a trade and I can show you live how to use the ATR tool. I think we can short it, take a short position of this. Let's just short it, man. With very less amount, about 10% of my capital. Open a short, leverage should be less. Don't use high leverage here, don't wreck yourself. When you're learning, use as small amount as you can, because that way you can learn. That way you can test out what works and what doesn't work. That way you can be adamant in your analysis and not have shaky hands when the market fluctuates, which it always does, which can anytime happen. Here, look at 1 minute chart, what's happening there? Hey, if you like my analysis, why don't you subscribe, lads? Why don't you join the group or get inside and avail the amazing offers? Oh, no volatility in the market today. This price isn't doing anything.
Sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, our fire makes the city look so bright. Close your eyes and just stay tight. We have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave.
So recently a big liquidation. So recently a big dump happened. As you can see on the BTC chart, the price dumped from 95 to 92-ish. And according to this influencer on X, the BTC is being manipulated by exchanges like Wintermute. Wintermute is a market maker, Binance, Coinbase, and these big shots. They were transferring large blocks between exchanges to exchanges. So they dumped it. They can do anything. They're institutions, they are whales. And when the whales eat the food, the fishes, what is left over is the leftover FVGs. So FVGs are nothing but leftover food by these whales. So now as retail traders, this is what we have and this is what we're going to trade. The leftovers, as I'm trading. On 5 minutes, on 15 minutes. What are you trading? How much of the leftovers did you get, my friend? We can all unite against the institutions, join forces, build alliances and fight against them so that we don't get eaten by the big whales. What do you think? What are your opinions and your ideas? Reach out to me with your ideas and opinions. Let's talk, like, comment, share, engage with Blue Bulls. Let's join forces.
Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me.
Oh, okay. It's good that I didn't short it. Or maybe now we can short it. What do you say, lads? What do you say? I'm gonna short. Cast this short move or not? But we're getting higher highs here. And lower highs as well. I mean, higher lows. Sorry. What do you think? What are your opinions and your ideas? Reach out to me with your ideas and opinions. What's going on, lads? What are you trading? So recently a big liquidation. So recently a big dump happened. As you can see on the BTC chart, the price dumped from 95 to 92-ish. And according to this influencer on X, the BTC was being manipulated, is being manipulated by exchanges like Wintermute. Wintermute is a market maker, Binance, Coinbase, and these big shots. They were transferring large blocks between exchanges to exchanges. So they dumped it. They can do anything. They're institutions, they are whales. And when the whales eat
Very small move
the food, the fishes, what is left over is the leftover FVGs. So FVGs are nothing but leftover food by these whales. So now as retail traders, this is what we have, and this is what we're going to trade. The leftovers, as I'm trading. On 5 minutes, on 15 minutes. What are you trading? How much of the leftovers did you get, my friend? We can all unite against the institutions, join forces, build alliances, and fight against them, so that we don't get eaten by the big whales. What do you think? What are your opinions and your ideas? Reach out to me with your ideas and opinions. Let's talk, like, comment, share, engage with Blue Bulls. Let's join forces. Okay, I'm happy with 10 USDC for the warm-up, yeah? Just give me something. Come on, lad. We can take this swing highs. Swing high, high, high. Now, to change the character, it has to break this level, which it nearly did, but it's more of a support than break of character. It's jumped back from here, and now it's coming back again to break the character. So 100% we should be shorting it. Maybe I should remove the stop loss or just shift it upwards, because I truly believe it's gonna go down, 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 down. It's gonna plunge very soon, plunge at least back to this level. Well, I believe it's gonna go to here. Actually break this support. Let's look at the larger trend. The larger trend seems to be bullish, because, well, we follow the EMA. It's a bullish trend. It's trading above the 200 EMA. So maybe we should not short it too much. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because as day traders, we want to catch small moves. We don't want to bet on long-term view. As scalpers, although it's going up, although, but I should go back to 5 minutes sharp and change my stop loss, because I think this is a bullish trend on river, and I would be stupid to not close this trade right now. Close it. At least we close in profits. That's fun. Let's look at BTC. Not making a move, not budging. It's dead with no volatility whatsoever. How would you trade in this? Such a market is just so less volatile. It's doing nothing. God, there's just no volume in the market. This price is sitting there. Is it my chart or this price isn't moving? Oh, okay. It's just it isn't moving. No volatility, because after a big move upside or down, in this case we recently dumped down to 93 from 95. People start to just take an exit from the market for a while. They're kind of scared. Oh my God, what's gonna happen now?
Now
create this little channel, sideways channel forming up.
Find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. This is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right.
show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up
could be shooting up. The price could be shooting up. Higher lows. An ascending, a potential ascending.
We show up in the party. We show up in the party. We show up in the party. We show up in the party, fire than everybody.
We show up in the party, fire than everybody.
We show up in the party, fire than everybody.
We show up in the party.
We show up in the party.
Let's open a short, shall we? Oh, thank God I closed my short on the river.
Up in the party. We show up in the
BTC. We're gonna open a short on the BTC. Let's go then. Sorry, it's not short. We're gonna long.
show up in the party.
100% long. Long it, lad. Long it. You have to decrease the leverage though. I'm fine with non-X. I'm fine with market order fill. I'm gonna bet about 10% open long. Come on, lad. Please give us this little EMA touch. Will ya? The market is just not volatile too much today, isn't it? It's too sluggish. Moves like a tortoise. I just took a short, a very short position, long position. I expect this to go up and touch this EMA, so we're gonna take this small move. Yeah. Didn't take much leverage, just 10x. There are some short moves in the market you can always catch, like these EMA touches. And also, if I look at this 3 minutes chart, we can see an ascending triangle, little ascending triangle forming up. Also, we have this 5 minutes FVG, which is a leftover by the whales. So it acts like a magnet. It's gonna attract the price back into this zone because there lies a lot of liquidity. The price may enter the FVG. It should enter the FVG again. So I'm gonna take the benefit of that. And once again, get inside the FVG, and we get a rejection candle in the FVG, then I'm gonna short it again. Where are you guys joining from, lads? Yeah, subscribe, show some support, yeah. These traders are crazy people. Oh Mary, these traders are trading all day and night. They're looking for gold on the screen. What was that song? Oh Mary, this market's a wonderful sight. There's people here trading all day and all night. Well, they don't sow potatoes, no barley, no wheat. But there's gangs of them looking for gold on the screen. Come on, jump off this trend line, give me some profit, lad, will ya? I'm expecting to touch the EMA. It's gonna touch the EMA. But there's no volatility today, yeah? The ATR, we can look at the volatility with ATR tool if you're not familiar with the tool. The ATR tells the volatility. As you can see, volatility is very less right now. This was the highest recently, 321. Now it's sitting at 76. So ATR is basically sometimes used, mostly used to set stop losses, because when we're trading in a particular volatility zone, we want to place our stop losses according to the volatility. If volatility is too high, we're gonna give it a bit more, leeway. The stop loss has to be a bit more wide. But if volatility is less, then the stop loss can be a bit tighter. So that's how we use the ATR tool. I teach technical analysis on this channel and on my TG channel in my TG group. As you can see on the screen, the QR code, scan it and get inside, lads. The blue bulls are waiting. We are building this community of traders because we want to head-on fight with the big institutions. We have to build alliances, join forces against them, yeah? We will all learn the right tools and techniques and then fight with the big boys, big shots. Subscribe, lads. Come on, will ya? You're not subscribing. Join the TG channel, will ya? Some people joined. Some are still thinking, oh, okay, what is this Blue Bulls? Should I join it or not? You don't think too much, lads, don't you? Just fucking get inside. Oh, we're getting some move. We are $10 in profit. Woohoo! The volatility is less. If it was more, we could have made a lot of profit by now. I want to post what I'm trying in my TG group. Expecting the price to touch the EMA 200. I'm gonna catch this small move. Oh, $10, $10. We made $10. Oh my God. Hello there. I'm sure you can hear me. The mic is working fine. Oh, the music stopped. Turn on the music for you lads.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hello there. Man, I'm audible.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
And it shows audible on the OBS. This OBS is funny, man.
Through the wastelands, through the highways,
Am I audible?
till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Yeah, I'm audible, yeah?
We'll go
I'm audible.
through the wastelands, through the highways.
Wow, I just made $20 on this short EMA retest. Wow. I am a genius. I can cast little moves. Come on, lads, get inside the TZ channel, yeah? Let's build a community. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I'm gonna post some.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Oh, okay.
We'll go
Let me just put some stop losses here, mate. Should not trade without stop losses. Should take profit out here. I'm happy with this. Let's suss the markets out, yeah? Scavenging the markets out. On we go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Okay. Wanna break the resistance? Good. Where are you guys trading? Where are you joining from? Use my referral link, get 50% discount on L-Bank. 50% discount on fees matters a lot when you trade futures. Avail the offer before it expires. Don't think too much. Take action. March on forward.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Superhero. Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need.
Oh, looks like price stock here. Let's close this position.
Gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night.
Booty nam nam. Damn, damn, booty nam nam. There's a breaking news on Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Oh, this is breaking. This is not breaking. This is old news. Bitcoin has fallen to 92. As I predicted, brothers, it's inside the FVZ.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat. You'll be a fan when I start rapping. Way I'll have your fucking head spinning. I'm known as spit vicious. Release bombs and go tick tick. Boom, you blow me that head missing. I'm a phenomenon. Stacking cheese like it's Parmesan. 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn, and I'm independent, so I'm not your fucking starving like it's Ramadan. Sick, twisted, gifted, can't copy, printed, can't hold me down. I shape shift, I'm liquid. I killed this beat, I might get convicted. They know how I move, it was predicted. Persistent, spoke it into existence, so consistent, no assistance. Hear me once, become addicted. If I rap it, then I live it. There's no cap, and I'll be spitting this. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Finance can change the world and create millions of jobs by empowering people with ability. Today's growing challenge: create meaningful lives for the world's population. That's true. finance can indeed change lives. So we have caught this move, lads, in the FVG. I'm expecting it to now go back again. It has to reverse. It came inside the FVG to take on the liquidity. This is the liquidity zone, fair value gap. This is basically when a price makes a big move downwards or upwards, and the candle before and after it, the low of the before candle and the high of the after candle. That's the space we call the FVG. Shouldn't have exited, should have shown some patience here. We went a lot up from there. come down a bit. Ascending triangle breakout is done. It has made its move. Now people will take profit. So you must always take profit.
Crack it. Crack it.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck
Where do I choose the
away.
tool to make circles?
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn.
Hey man, what's up? Hyru. No 500x man, we don't have 500x on these pairs. On BTC, no we don't. Let me check if we have. How much do we have? We have 200x max. Extremely risky man. Would not suggest 500x to anyone.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because
No, mate. Nobody can be smart when the markets are highly manipulated. Didn't you see what happened recently? Price dropped from 95 to 92. Without no news. No news, nothing, no analysis. You have to be very cautious in the markets. When you're in the market,